Hello, I'm Laura Nicolosi with NASA's Office of Inspector General. Today, I will be discussing our audit that examined NASA's current and future requirements for Plum Station. Located in Sandusky, Ohio, 50 miles west of the Glenn Research Center, Plum is home to several unique test facilities. For example, the Space Power Facility, or SPF, is an environmental simulation chamber used to test hardware in a simulated space or planetary environment. However, a majority of Plumbrook's test facilities are underutilized, and the level of use and funding they receive depends on whether individual NASA programs or external customers choose to perform testing there rather than at other NASA or private facilities. In 2010, Congress directed NASA to examine its real property assets and divest unneeded or duplicative infrastructure consistent with our current and future missions and expected funding levels. In this audit, we assessed the cost of operating Plum in light of its current and expected use. We found that over the past 10 years, Plum has eliminated approximately 1.3 million square feet of buildings and structures. However, it continues to maintain several major testing facilities, most prominently the SPF and the Spacecraft Propulsion Research Facility, known as the B2, the world's largest thermal vacuum chamber that is also capable of testing rocket engines. Of these facilities, only the SPF has a full slate of testing planned over the next several years. Although NASA has specific testing planned for the B2 vacuum chamber in 2015, future utilization of the facility's rocket testing capabilities is uncertain. While NASA officials told us that the B2 could potentially be used to test the Space Launch System's upper stage engines, such testing would require $15 million in basic refurbishment to the facility, costs that the SLS program would be expected to cover, in addition to potentially significant program-specific test costs. Moreover, two other Plum test facilities, the Hypersonic Tunnel Facility and Cryogenic Components Laboratory, have not been utilized for at least 4 years. Further, the Combined Effects Chamber, designed for large-scale liquid hydrogen experiments, is unusable in its current condition. Plum maintains a large amount of property as a buffer zone to accommodate rocket testing at the B2 facility. If it becomes clear that such testing is not likely to resume, Plum may be able to achieve additional cost savings by reducing the size of the buffer, or at a minimum, reducing the level of maintenance it performs in this zone. We recommended the agency determine a long-term strategy for Plum and pursue plans to access or demolish any unneeded infrastructure. NASA concurred with our recommendations and proposed corrective actions. To read the full OIG report, please visit our website at www.oig.nasa.gov.